How would you feel if I told you that you no longer need to spend hours and energy creating a professional PowerPoint presentation? With a powerful AI tool, you can now have an amazing presentation ready in just 2 minutes. Remember those nights when you stayed up late and struggled with PowerPoint? Fonts would get messed up, images would get messed up, and you would have to present the same slides the next day with stress. I'm sure you've experienced it and you know how annoying it is. But here's the good news. You don't have to worry about it anymore. I've done something that used to take me 3-4 hours in just 10 minutes with this tool, and the result was much better and neater than I expected. The tool I want to introduce is called Work PPT. Just enter a topic, a few ideas, or even a few keywords, and this tool will instantly create a professional and eye-catching PowerPoint for you. Whether you are a student, a teacher, or even a business professional, Work PPT does everything quickly, simply, and without stress. How to create a complete PowerPoint in just a few seconds. Some attractive features of this tool include: create a complete PowerPoint just by entering the topic, merge multiple PDF files into one file, split a PDF into several smaller parts, convert image to PDF and vice versa, add watermark or stamp to PDF, create a summary and even a mind map, and the best part is that all these features are completely free. So before starting the tutorial, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more tutorials like this. When you enter the dashboard of this site, you will be faced with a functional menu on the left side that includes sections. AI slide. This is our main star section. Just enter your title or topic, choose the number of slides, and receive a complete and professional PowerPoint in just a few seconds. There is a search bar in the middle of the page. Here you can upload a file or just type in your topic. For example, I will enter a topic now. Right below it, you can also select the number of slides. Then just press enter and you are done. The next step is to choose templates. This tool has a variety of templates, from business and marketing to technology, education, and nature. Each has its own professional design. Just select the desired template to apply to the slides. And as you can see, a complete presentation was created in a few seconds. The slides are ready-made, well-made, and professional, while you still have full control over changing the text, fonts, colors, and even the overall layout. Finally, when everything is to your liking, you can save or download the presentation with just one click. It's that easy. AI chat. This section is like having a 24-hour personal assistant. You can ask it any question you have, whether it's a scientific question, a lesson topic, or even an idea for content production. For example, if you're preparing a presentation and don't know how to write the text for the slides, just give the topic to AI chat, and you'll receive a professional and ready-made text in a few seconds. Or maybe you want your article summarized, a formal email written, or even an attractive advertising copy created. AI chat does all of this very quickly and accurately. In short, this tool is always by your side to provide solutions and make your work easier wherever you get stuck. AI PDF. In this section you have a complete toolbox for managing PDF files. You can easily merge multiple files or split a long file into smaller parts. There is also the possibility of converting PDF to image for use in presentations or social networks. If you want your files to remain exclusive, you can add your desired watermark. In short, it does all the basic PDF tasks quickly and in one place. AI Summarizer. If you have a long file or text, this tool uses artificial intelligence to quickly analyze it, extract key points, and provide a smooth and understandable summary. You no longer need to read the entire text. With a few clicks, you get the important information and can study or make decisions faster. Suitable for students, researchers, and anyone who deals with large amounts of information. Order list. In this section, you can manage all the orders and files you have created, and easily check the status of each project. Create by you. Any content you have created or customized yourself is stored in this section so that you can access it again whenever you need it. Invite list. This section allows you to invite your friends or colleagues to join your workspace and collaborate easily and quickly. One of the outstanding features of this site is its simple, clean, and fast design. Even if you enter the environment for the first time, you can easily work with its features without any confusion. So if you are looking to quickly create professional PowerPoints, manage PDFs, or use an artificial intelligence assistant, Work PPT can be a great and practical choice for you. The site link is in the video description, and a fast, smooth, and hassle-free experience that will help you manage and produce all your projects in the best way. Until the next video.